How are you liking it so far?
It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
We're at this part, you guys. She's already cried, and I brought the tissue box because I don't think she's done.
Hannah, if this is the end, I'm gonna be so mad at you.
You have to watch.
Oh my god, you fuck up! Get on your butt! This is so unfair! Oh my god! I must be so mad at you, Hannah!
明日からみんなの声もちゃんと聞きます。明日からちゃんとするから。
Oh my god, this is so true!
西宮に俺のことどう思ってるのか聞いとけばいい。
What is this? Wait, I like water. I'm so mad. Wait, but is he gonna die? Now there's blood.
How did you like it?
It was really good.
Yeah.
That was so sad.
Sandy took me to the dog beach.
Yay!
Cody's there. He's crying.
He wants to say hi to doggies, but now it's not the time.
Oh, Pepe. So this whole week, wow, you really zoomed in. There you go. This whole week, I've been here. Sandy's been so nice and like doing things like dog friendly, so I don't have to leave Pepper. But tonight is the first night I'm leaving Pepper to go eat dinner.
I'm gonna be a social human without you, okay? You're gonna have to be a good boy at Sandy's.
So anyways, I'm glad we're taking them to the beach today because then they'll be tired. So when we go home, he won't be like crazy anxious. He'll be too tired to be anxious.
Right?
They're so cute! Some strangers came up to us because Sandy has treats, and now they all.
I can't give these to you. I don't know your owners.
Bye, Cupcake. Bye, BB.
If you guys were curious, this is my sleeping situation at Sandy's. It's actually very comfortable. Why are you yelling?
Because I was like, I wish I had a better sleeping arrangement for you.
No, it's so comfortable. And then Cody sometimes will sleep next to me. Pepper always sleeps next to me. But anyways, we're gonna go to lunch.
Yeah.
Ooh! What is that, Sandy?
It's rice with beef, an egg, and pepper.
Wow!
Pepper!
It smells so good. I'm also here with Tony. Wow!
When I think about yesterday, my oh my.
This is really good. I really like how there's corn in it. I love corn.
I love their corn here.
That's really hot though. So Sandy went to go get groceries or something, and I'm so embarrassed, but I do want to record it. I'm trying to learn how to twerk. It's like when one of mine, can you tell how embarrassed I am? Because, I mean, look at me. Do I look like someone who wants to learn how to twerk? No, but I do. So I want to learn how to twerk. So I'm watching this video. Let me get it. I'm too embarrassed to do this while Sandy's here. Maybe I'll make her do it with me. But it's called Learn How to Twerk, Twerking for Beginners, The Basic Twerk by Bianca Taylor. Go back so that your butt is arched as high as it can go, and then you're gonna drop it. Up, drop. Don't think so much about controlling it, going up, down, because that's when you end up looking really stiff. Is that right? Hey, I think I kind of got it, but it doesn't look like good. Like, it looks stupid. Maybe if I do it from this angle, I'm gonna watch this back. I can't upload this. No. Okay, I'm gonna keep practicing and I'll keep you guys updated. I'll probably look for a different tutorial because she made that look way too easy, and I think I need a little bit more of a breakdown between moves or something. Or maybe it is that simple and I just can't do it, but wish me luck. I'm done twerking. Sandy's gonna help me dye my hair back to a soft black because I don't know if you guys can tell. What the heck? Oh, okay. I don't know if you guys can tell, or you guys can. I've heard you mention it, but there's a lot of pink shining through, and I know a lot of you guys like it, but I don't know. I don't really like it. I kind of want it to just be my normal hair color. Okay, we're at Sandy's salon.
Welcome. Are you ready?
She's gonna take care of me today.
Tip me well.
Okay.
Okay. Neat.
Oh my goodness.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Are we gonna have like salon chats?
Oh my God. I don't know why you broke up with me. Can you believe that text that I got? Where's the dye?
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I think I'm supposed to, oh, whatever.
Topic 1 of today's salon chats is the fact that they've just broke up. Are you serious? And it says a difference in personality. Oh, I'm so sad. We are finished. Sandy was very meticulous and she got it all. So I'm gonna be back to my normal hair. So I took a shower. My hair is black again. Thanks, Sandy.
You're welcome.
And now we are watching a drama, and we're making, or she made ramen with egg. So yummy.
Oops.
Sandy's such a good host.
Yay.
Yeah, we're gonna watch now. Pepper just took over Amy's lap. He's like, you is mine now.
No sitting class likes? How do you want to be? You?
Oh!
You settle. I was like, you settle.
Comey's like, excuse me, that's my mom.
You guys are wearing like the same thing.
I know, that's what I was saying when I saw her.
Oh, we are?
Because I'm wearing a white top with jeans too. Comey! Oh, Diego's here. Comey!
Stop.
Oh my gosh, you and your human eyes. We're at Reformation. Thanks, Sandy. Whoa. So after using the screen, you can put your clothes in here, and they have this like really cute little mirror thing, and then there's like a little digital ordering thing. Wow, it's so nice. I'm wearing a bra, so I'm trying to tuck these in. What do you guys think? Keep in mind, this is $100, so I don't know if it's worth it. It is really cute though. So I didn't end up getting anything because the dress fit my boobs really weird, even though it looked really cute in photos. So now we're just walking around because there's like an Alfred's that they want to go drink at, but it's 0.7 miles. So we're just gonna walk down this street and shop because there's a lot of shopping stuff. So bright. Diego's gonna take a film photo until when we get her.
Okay, okay.
Stay. Stay.
This is such a hot mess.
Stay. Stay.
Yay!
Stay. 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 Stay.
We're at this store called Mad Happy because Diego took us, and there's this room with like rocks and this sign right here. It's so cool. And the dogs are in here. Whoa. Oh, sorry, Cody.
Ready? Movie.
Okay. Whoa. This is like,
It's like got road things.
wow.
Oh yeah. Roads and mirrors.
Homie, can you give me a house tour? Okay. She's taking me to her bed. This is her royal bed. Where's the next spot? This is the kitchen. This is where I scrap for food.
This is gonna be my first time eating boiling crab.
Oh, Diego's here with fries.
Fries again.
Woo!
I think so. That one. And then.
All right, show me your shrimp.
Oh, how to do peel shrimp? Yeah. That's important. Major key. Okay, so you grab it here,
Okay.
and you pull off the head, and then you suck it. For all the juice. Actually, the flavor of the shrimp is all in the head.
Okay.
Then you open it from the spine with your thumb.
Is this the spine?
Yeah, or no, here. So peel inward and out like that. See?
You gotta wait for Diego.
Oh no, it's
No,
okay.
I think I taught him once.
Oh, like this? Okay.
Yeah, and you do a bunch, and then if you're a good one, you could just literally peel off the whole thing. See, look.
Oh, that wasn't a good one.
Yeah, but that's how you do it. And you squeeze a lime and the salt and pepper and dip it.
You can try mine first. See if you
And
like
here's
it.
all the fries.
Oh,
Just try it. Huh?
thank you.
If you guys want to put all your dead
What?
skins here, yeah, I don't like it either.
Woo! And we have the corn.
Yeah, and then you can like roll it in the sauce. The sauce is the best.
안녕 안녕 나는 지수야. 하리온 가스 먹었더니 이렇게 되지. This is awesome.